Crisp puzzle pieces and vintage advertisements, a fascinating mix, don't you think? Journey back to the late 19th century, where it all began. The first puzzle advertisements, simple, black and white, yet captivating. Fast forward a few decades. Color seeped in, illustrations became more intricate, and the messaging, cleverly woven into the design. The Roaring Twenties saw puzzles used to promote everything from soap to automobiles, a testament to their widespread appeal. Post-war puzzle ads took a nostalgic turn, evoking warmth and familiarity. Today they're a delightful mix of modern design and retro charm. From humble beginnings to a marketing staple, puzzle advertisements have truly evolved. Like, subscribe until the next time, keep puzzling.